students. Today we are going to do revision. As we have completed 11 chapters in EVS, today's our topic for revision is fill in the blanks. So let's start. EVS revision. Lesson 1 to lesson 11. Fill in the blanks. The Golconda Fort has a huge gate and sharp iron spokes. Raised platforms around a lake are called chabutras. There is about 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water in the Dead Sea. Baby mosquitoes are called larvae. Apart from India, pitcher plant is found in Australia and Indonesia. Dandi March took place in Gujarat from Ahmedabad to Dandi in the year 1930. A vulture can see 4 times as far as we can. Other birds like kites, eagles can also see 4 times as far as we can. A special way of coming down off a mountain using a rope is called rappelling. In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman and the 5th woman in the world to reach the peak of Mount Everest. A shining object which seems to move with a constant speed in the sky can be a satellite. The juices in the stomach is acidic. Jim Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Sunita Williams went 360 kilometers away from the earth in a spaceship. Soybean pods are scattered by bursting. From a tilted surface, a drop of honey slides slower than the drop of water. Deficiency of iron in blood causes anemia. Ronald Ross got the highest award, the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Velcro was discovered by George Mestral. The outer wall of Golconda Fort has 87 bastions. Dogs can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Dr. Beaumont carried out many experiments and revealed many secrets about digestion. Mazhak is a leather bag used for carrying water. The soap case floats on the water. Mamidi Tandra is made by putting layer after layer until the jelly grows thick like a golden cake. Snakes are a treasure for Kalbelias. Only 4 types of snakes are poisonous in our country. Lakes and johats were made to collect water. Ants find their friends by their smell. Onion can be kept fresh by keeping it in a dry, open place. Another name of Bawdi is step well. Our body should be kept at an angle of 90 degree while climbing a high rock. Tongue helps us to taste the food items. Snake charmer keeps the snake in a bamboo basket. Al-Biruni, a traveler from Uzbekistan, visited India. Very small plants that are found around the watery spots are called algae. The Mount Everest is called Sagarmatha in Nepal. In olden days, people used the bark of cinchona tree to make medicine for malaria. In December 2004, Andaman Islands were hit by the tsunami. A snake has two hollow teeth called fangs. The food that is needed for proper growth and development of a child is called proper food. Fungus appear on moist bread when it is kept for a few days. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movements or vibrations in the air. Coffee beans and green bhindi came from Africa. We should eat sprouts because it is rich in protein. Oil does not dissolve in water. Mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. The force with which the earth pulls everything towards itself is called gravitational force. And the last fill in the blanks is Kalbilia is a kind of dance form. Children, here I end revision of fill in the blanks.